everybody, this is Bruce Parker from MarineMax in Lindenhurst, New York. Today I'm going to show you the new 2019 Scout 235 XF. Our boat here is in the sharp gray, a new color, and it is absolutely beautiful. You can see the beautiful lines in this boat, the hardtop with rocket launchers. The boat is extremely well equipped. This particular boat does have the new V8 300 horse Mercury with extended shaft, so the boat doesn't need any special platform work. It's designed for this motor. The boat is absolutely beautiful. It is for sure, the Scout line for sure is the epitome of comfort and fine workmanship in the center console. As we go on board, you see a nice wide walk around to go between the center console and the side of the boat. The supports for the hardtop are built right into the console, so I'm a pretty good sized guy and I can walk through without even twisting. Beautiful seating up front with the backrest for the bow, all stereo speakers. So there's a bow table that goes here on the bow, so if you're out there on the hook, you want to relax with a little hors d'oeuvres and cocktails, you have a nice little table for that. And as you look from the bow towards the stern of the boat, you see you have a nice windshield. Like the hardtop, you have LED lights facing forward. You have LED lights facing to the stern. You have a big, beautiful lounge seat here. And I'll show you that. A beautiful spot for plenty of storage. You can get a lot of stuff inside here, that's for sure. And this is all standard on these 235. I'm walking down the port side. Gotta get through the palm trees here. And again, you can see the nice wide walkway. You have the double helm seat, and it does have the bolsters that pop up, or you can flip it down and you have a regular seat. Nice option to have. You do have some more rod holders in the back, as well as the rocket launchers up top. It is a 3-sided windows, as you can see on the video. So it makes life a lot easier, a little more comfort. No canvas flapping around. On the dash, we have a Garmin chart plotter. There's a Garmin VHF, and I believe it's a Fusion stereo on the boat too. Yep. And there's a glove box, so you can put all your little gadgets in there, your phone, and what have you, can go right in the glove box. Compass dead center, where you'd want it to be. And right here is 12-volt plugs for all your mobile devices. So for sure, with all the bolsters around the combing, the quality of workmanship, the vinyl work on this boat, this is high-end center console, and under the hardtop, you have the netting to store all your life jackets. So come down and see us. The boat is in our showroom. It will be at the New York City Boat Show also. And I look forward to giving you a tour of the boat. Have a great day.